bronze that I'm using to make the main bearing with. I love bronze, it's a beautiful colour, just that slight bit redder than brass. It's just something about it I really like. Anyway, the main bearing has a 6mm bore through it for the main axle of the engine, and it has and it goes through a 10mm hole in the main body of the engine. The material that I'm using for the main body of my engine is thicker than Steve's is, so the part that goes through the body is going to be a bit longer, just to give it clearance at the other side. But other than that, it's going to be similar, apart from the fact that Steve's, well, I'll show you if you can see the plans. My printer's not been behaving itself, so it's not very clear, but you can probably, yeah, I think you can see there. It has a flange round it, this bearing, and it's drilled with 3 holes so that it can be screwed to the main body of the motor. Now, the thing is that he gives 20mm diameter in the plans. I've lost focus now. Yeah, there we go. He gives 20mm diameter in the plans for that flange. Sorry, the focus is, that's it. Keeps coming and going. Yeah, he gives 20mm diameter for the flange. But I'm going to make mine a bit bigger because the body of this is wider than his is, and there's no reason to keep the bearing small. So given that I like bronze and it's a lovely material, and I think once this is all shined up a bit, the bronze bearing will look really good against it. So I'm going to make it bigger and wider so that to make a bit of a feature of it. That's all really. Should be a straightforward enough job. We'll see. Well, that's one end done. That's the side that goes through the standard. And there it is, the main bearing. It just needs to have the 3 holes drilled for the little bolt circle in the flange, which I'm going to do on the rotary table and my cheapo Dremel copy. So there it is, the main bearing completed. Giving it the Myford Boy fondle here.